Today I want to show you how to find the right spot for the GFCI receptacle. So usually in the kitchen you put it in the beginning of the circuit. So right now I just got the old receptacles and I take the tester to check where the hot wire coming. So let's check. So this nothing. Okay, so we have the hot wire here. So that means that GFCI receptacle we will install here, because the other wire on the circuit going till here, and we can check it, and it's no hot wire right there. So how it's work? So when the GFCI working here, it just shut off all the circuit going till this receptacle, from this receptacle going till here in the kitchen. You can see that we don't have power here. So that's like for safety reasons. Okay, so let's start to install it. I will show you all the details and everything. Let's do it. So right here you can see we have like a receptacle, the GFCI, yeah. So the hot wire we're connecting on this guy, the black on the yellow one, the black on the yellow one, and the white wire, the neutral, on the white screw, and the ground as usual on the green screw. So as soon we install this, then if we have additional, how in our case we have additional receptacles going on the circuit, so we remove this and connect the additional receptacles in the circuit to this, and same black wire, the hot wire on the yellow screw, neutral on the white, and ground on the green. And that's it. Super simple. Yeah, I will show you how I do this right now. So I find the hot wire and going to shut off the breaker for safety reasons. So the breaker is shut off. Let's double check it. That no hot wire right now. So the power is shut off. So that's the time to start work on it and install it. So I use these pliers and just take it and clean it, the insulation first on all wires. Super simple. Sometimes it's like stuck there, so you just cut the like this. Okay, so now what we can do, we need to loosen some screw this on the receptacle and push it in. So the first thing what we do, always the first thing, we put the ground, and I use power tool. It makes things easier, but the safest thing, you need to have a screwdriver, because if you don't feel your power tool, you always can damage the actual receptacle or any appliances where you use it. So you need to feel, you need to know your power tool before you use it, and kind of this stuff. Yeah, so we need to unscrew it, it's too tight here. Okay, now we can push it back, push it in. Let's unscrew a little bit more, like this. Okay, it's in, and right now tight it in back like this. Then the neutral. The neutral going, it's again, we need to unscrew it. Push it in like this and screw, tight it in. Super simple. Yeah, it's of course the best thing is to hire like a pro and pay money for licensed electrical, but sometimes when you want to do like a minor repair, it's very helpful to know how, and then we screw it in, how to do this. And that's it. It's in the place here. So the receptacle is ready. We install it, ready to go. I just tested it, it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you. So press button to subscribe, support with like, and bye bye.